Hello, my friends. Let me share something with you today that has the potential to shift the way you think about success. Most people strive for greatness, they dream big dreams, but so many fall short. Why? Because they miss one essential step that connects their vision to its realization. Let's get into it together. The key to success lies in understanding the connection between what you desire and how you perceive yourself. It's not enough to want something, you must align with it, embody it, and believe that it's already yours. Many people fail because they keep their desires at arm's length, thinking of them as things they'll achieve someday. But someday is just a concept, it's not real. What's real is this moment, and in this moment, you must claim your desire as if it already belongs to you. Here's what you need to grasp: everything starts with your self-concept. If you see yourself as someone struggling, as someone who doesn't deserve success or isn't capable of achieving it, then that will be your reality. The world simply reflects back to you what you believe about yourself. This is why it's so crucial to shift your inner dialogue, to reshape the story you're telling yourself. If you've been thinking, "I'm not good enough," or "this is too hard," stop. Replace those thoughts with affirmations like, "I am capable," and "I am worthy of success." These aren't just feel-good phrases, they are seeds planted in your subconscious mind that will grow into the reality you desire. Now, let's talk about persistence. Many people start strong, but when they don't see immediate results, they give up. They think, "Maybe this isn't for me." That's the moment they fail, not because they weren't capable, but because they let doubt take over. You must persist in the belief that your desire is already yours, even when the physical world hasn't caught up yet. Reminder, there's a delay between planting the seed and seeing the harvest. Don't dig up your seed with doubt and impatience. Your imagination is another critical part of this process. This is where the magic happens. The imagination is the workshop of your reality. When you visualize your desire, you're not merely daydreaming, you're creating. But here's the catch: you must feel the emotions of already having what you want. It's not enough to see it, you must feel it. How would it feel to live the life you desire? How would it feel to have that success, that love, that freedom? Let those feelings saturate your being, because emotions are the language of the subconscious mind. Here's an exercise for you: every night before you go to sleep, take a moment to imagine your desired outcome as if it's already real. Don't just see it, step into it. Feel the joy, the excitement, the relief. This isn't a wishful exercise, it's a command to your subconscious mind. And when your subconscious accepts this as truth, your reality will begin to shift. Another point I must stress is the importance of gratitude. Most people overlook this, thinking they'll be grateful once they achieve their goal. But gratitude isn't just a reaction, it's a tool. By expressing gratitude for what you desire as if you already have it, you're aligning yourself with the frequency of receiving. Say to yourself, "Thank you for this success, even if it hasn't manifested yet." Gratitude bridges the gap between your desire and its realization. Let's move forward now and explore another critical element in the process of realizing your goals: consistency. A lot of people try for a short while and then give up. Success doesn't require a burst of effort, but a steady, consistent application of your thoughts, feelings, and actions towards your vision. This consistency must become a way of life. It's not just about visualizing for a week and expecting results. It's about creating a habit of believing in the unseen and acting as though it's already materialized. Your daily thoughts should reflect the person you're becoming, not the person you once were. This continuous alignment between thought, emotion, and action creates a ripple effect in your life, attracting what you desire. Your attitude towards challenges plays an enormous role in your success. Most people see obstacles as setbacks, but in reality, they are opportunities to grow. Each challenge you face is a chance to affirm your belief in yourself. Instead of seeing a challenge as a roadblock, view it as a lesson that's pushing you closer to the realization of your goal. When you reframe difficulties in this way, they no longer become something to fear, they become stepping stones. Challenges will come, but they are not here to stop you. They're simply part of the process that shapes you into the person capable of achieving your desires. Another essential element that most people overlook is self-awareness. You must be able to recognize the thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that do not serve your vision. Self-awareness allows you to catch yourself when you're slipping into doubt or negativity. It enables you to reframe your thinking in real time and realign yourself with your goal. This awareness is a muscle that strengthens over time. The more you practice self-awareness, the easier it becomes to keep your thoughts and emotions in harmony with your desires. Being mindful of your inner dialogue and actions allows you to course-correct when needed and helps you stay focused on what truly matters. There's also an important concept of detachment from the outcome. While it's vital to stay connected to your vision, it's just as important to let go of the need to control exactly how or when it will manifest. Trust the process and have faith that the universe is working in your favor. When you let go of the desperate need for things to happen in a specific way, you open yourself up to receive in ways you might never have expected. You must become comfortable with the idea that things may unfold in ways you cannot predict. Detachment doesn't mean giving up on your goal, it means surrendering to the flow of life and trusting that what you desire will come to you in the right time and the right way. We often find ourselves stuck in the trap of comparing our progress to others. This is an easy way to derail your path to success. The journey to your goal is unique to you. What works for someone else may not work for you, and that's perfectly fine. Focus on your own progress and trust that you are exactly where you need to be. The only person you need to compare yourself to is the person you were yesterday. As long as you're improving and moving closer to your vision, that's all that matters. Now, let me remind you again that the most important aspect is your belief in yourself. When you believe you are worthy of success and believe that your desires are already on their way to you, you create a magnetic force that attracts those desires to you. This is the missing key that so many people miss. They want success, but they don't believe they deserve it, or they don't trust that it's already theirs. Belief is not a wish, it's a knowing. You must know that your desires are already fulfilled and live in that knowing every single day. Now, let's address fear and doubt. These are the biggest obstacles standing between you and your success. Fear whispers, "What if I fail?" Doubt asks, "Can I really do this?" These thoughts are natural, but they're not truths, they're illusions. Fear and doubt lose their power the moment you decide to focus on your vision instead of your obstacles. Shift your attention from what could go wrong to what could go right. Feed your faith, not your fear. Let's simplify this even more. Think of success as a recipe. The first ingredient is your desire. What do you truly want? The second ingredient is belief. Do you see yourself as the kind of person who achieves this? The third ingredient is action, but not just any action, action that flows from the belief that you're already successful. And the final ingredient? Patience. Just as you wouldn't rush a cake to bake, don't rush your manifestations. Trust the process. One mistake many people make is looking to the external world for proof. They think, "I'll believe it when I see it." But that's backward. The truth is, you'll see it when you believe it. Your external world is a mirror, reflecting back what you hold inside. If you want to see change, you must be the change first. This means walking, talking, and thinking like the person you want to become. It means holding on to your vision even when your current circumstances don't match it. Let me leave you with this: success isn't something you chase, it's something you attract by the person you become. The key step most people miss is claiming their desire as if it's already done. When you embody your vision with unwavering belief, when you align your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcome, and when you persist in that belief no matter what, success becomes inevitable. So, take this moment to ask yourself, who do I need to become to achieve what I desire? The answer to that question is your next step. Remember, the power is already within you, it always has been. Before you go, I have a small request for you. If you found this message helpful and inspiring, please take a moment to like this video and share it with others. Your support means the world. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you can continue to receive more content like this. By subscribing, you're joining a space dedicated to growth, belief, and success. If this message resonated with you, please like the video to show your support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay connected and receive more powerful content like this. Share this with someone who needs to hear this message today. Your act of kindness could make a big difference in their life. Take a moment to comment below and share how this message has impacted you. Remember to subscribe for more motivational content and life-changing teachings delivered straight to you. Thank you for being here today. May you take these lessons and begin to apply them immediately. The world is waiting for you to step into your power. Keep moving forward, and success will follow.